Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to copy and paste easily. There can be many ways to copy and paste to your server directly from external source. So that can be many ways, but uh, I felt this is one of the easiest way to copy and paste from external sources to your server directly, like Ubuntu or Linux or any other version of Linux. So this is uh, let me go further. Okay, so this is one of my server I have logged in, which is in party remote server. So let me go to my folder, please, which is cd home, right? My folder is Mahbub. Okay, sorry, I misspelled. Cd root home folder and Mahbub. Okay, this is my folder. Okay, so there is nothing, so I can create file using so in this process you will also see how to create a file. You can use touch command or you can use nano. So the confusion is there is no software like VS Code, or you can't do copy and paste like in Windows. What you do, it's control A and select all the texts or codes you want to copy, and just control V and paste it. That doesn't work like that way. So you have to select differently, you have to paste it differently. So in there is three commands for file. You can see, you can edit, mostly you can edit with nano and with MC edit. So let's create a file using nano command, nano my file. Okay, my file dot txt. Okay, so in here you can copy and paste directly in using nano. So I created a file. Okay, so just save. I don't want to write anything here, I just want to save it. Okay, just control AX. Oh, sorry, I have to write something to save it, sorry. So again, I want to open it and let me put something in it. So in this is your Windows or external source. You can copy from ChatGPT, you can copy from Google Chrome, Google. So whatever the source, okay, your code, it can be your code, it can be your contents. So you want to paste it directly to your server, not like in from front end client or anything. Okay, but so sometimes you have to put directly to your server or and go on. Okay, so I want to copy this section. Okay, Control C. This is in Windows Notepad, so it should be work like Control C together, right? Control A, select all, and Control C, copied. But in Linux, so your server is in Linux, so it doesn't work like Control V to paste, right? So you you created a file using nano commands. Okay, and this file is completely blank because this is new file. So you have to paste, you want to paste something like in your server root folder. You can paste something code like this. So just you have to click right click, not any other button, just mouse right click. Okay, see, so you have copied from Windows these codes snippets to your server Linux Linux server. Okay, what I have done, I have copied from Windows Notepad++. Let me review again. I have selected all the texts here, and I have copied using Ctrl C, and I have pasted in Linux server using only right click of mouse. Okay, this is how you can paste codes from external source to your Linux server. It can be your server root directory, it can be Apache configuration, anything. Okay, so and how can you save it? Control X. Okay, there is options. Yes, y mean yes. Okay, so the file ls comments. Okay, what I see, my file dot text. Okay, okay. Now we have now completed the process to copy from external source to our Linux server. Now I will show you how can you easily copy from Linux server to your external source. Okay, so you we have many we have two mainly editor, file editor. There is another which is vi, but this is a little bit advanced, so I don't want to go for that. But I usually use MC edit and nano for to edit files. Okay, so let me go to MC. You can just type MC and this menu will pop up. This is one of the useful file editor, folder editor in Linux, and very old. This that's traditional editor. Okay, uh, midnight commander editor. Okay, so here it will show what contains in this folder. So my file. Okay, I want to go to my file. There is an option. You have to, these are the serials of your function key. Okay, 3 means F3, 2 means F2. So I want to quiet. Okay, F3. Okay, so F4 means edit. Okay, F5 means copy. So you can copy the file from one place to another, but um, to copy texts. Okay, let's enter this file again. Okay, so I have accessed this file using mcedit. So you see, so it's little bit tricky here to copy the codes in any file in this editor. So I want to quit from it. F10 quit. Now I want to nano. Okay, I want to use nano editor. So my file.txt, it's okay. So using nano editor you can also copy like a small text, but when you have a large text, large quotes, so this can be a little bit tricky. So I don't recommend for large texts, but it can be it. So what, how can you copy? What you want to do, it's just drag from top to bottom, mouse drag. Okay, select and drag. So it dragged, so it is already copied. It is already copied this section. Okay, let me show you. So you see, so if in Linux, if you drag your mouse, select and drag, like select and drag like this, it's already copied in your what it's called, let me show you, clipboard. Okay, it's already copied in your clipboard. So I just dragged and it's already copied. That's really cool in Linux. So you don't, you can't copy like Control C in Linux. So, and this is how you can also copy using nano editor. but okay, I want to exit. But if the file is little bit large, so you should use cat my file dot text. So you see the total codes or text, whatever you call, it's it's showing, and it's not editable, but it shows you the code and the line, and you what you do is you just drag the whole codes you have, the mouse you have dragged, and it's already copied in your clipboard. And now let me reopen another, and it's already showing here. So you can be confused, so I want to show you again. So let's see, I want to copy only little this portion, template to template. Okay, and let's see if I paste Ctrl V, what it shows. You see, template to template. So this is really easy to copy in Linux and paste to another sources, like your folder, your backup file, your VS Code. So we have learned in this section that we can copy file from Windows to our Linux server directly, and we can, like if there can be a scenario, you have edited your codes, or you have designed a model that's in your editor, which is, it can be PyCharm, which can be your preferred editor, which is Visual Studio Code. So what can you, but because you can't edit like in your server directly, so you always have to you always love to edit your codes in your preferred editor, right? So you have edited your code in Visual Studio, and you have copied from that and pasted directly your server in your target folder. So we have learned this, and we have also learned this, how can we copy texts in Linux folder, in Linux machine, in Linux server, and paste to outer external source, right, like this. Okay, and we have also learned that how to create a new file using nano editor and save it. Okay, that this is all for today, and thank you for watching, and subscribe me to release more videos. If and and if you have any queries, any objections, please put the comment below. Thank you.